Hey everybody, Cheryl Lawson here. It is whatever day it is and whatever month it is. I have officially lost it, but still checking things out here. You're on my Facebook page right now, and I wanted to just get on real quick and talk about uh, Facebook Messenger's new create room, right? So everybody has a feeling one way or the other about Zoom, and it's okay however you feel about Zoom. If you like it, love it, hate it, or just getting tired of it, or are just looking for other options. So Facebook thinks it has the answer. I'm also checking out Microsoft Teams, so we'll do a video on that as soon as I figure out. So you can see that little create room button, and it was actually a big bright notification on my page from that looked like more like this and colorful before. And but as I started to create one, I thought, oh, I need to jump on Zoom. So here we are. We're going, and you can get to it just from there. I don't know that it's whether it's rolling out to everybody right now, but um, we'll see. Okay, so you can create a room, and you can change the name. Let's call it a dance party. Okay, room activity dance party. Who is invited? Let's see, friends, specific people. Uh, let's see here. None of these people know that I'm doing this, so how about Sondra? If nothing else, she'll keep us laughing. And Yawnie. And let's see if Lollie's available. We're going to invite. Mm-mm-mm. And then you can, I don't know why I'm singing and humming, you guys. It's been a long day of websites crashing and emails going out. All right, let's start now. And did I say reset to now? There we go. Oh, because a minute passed. And, ooh, oh, here we go. Dance party happening now. I wonder why it's showing that this is public. So, testing out. What did I say this was called? Messenger room. There we go. I think that's what they call it. But that's interesting that it's asking if I want that to go on a news feed. Oh, and then here we go, join the room. Okay. Okay. Allow. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at this. Double trouble. Okay. And so here I'm sure I can. Let's go hide this so you can see the controls. So share your screen, see all, see call participants, so you can see who is all on the call. Turn off video, mute your microphone, and then you can also hang up. So I'm sure these are people going, "Hey, what are you doing?" Like, what are you doing? Are you trying to get me on something? Okay. So since they were not, I didn't ask them to come. They're not coming in. So I'm going to leave the room. And since our chat was fine, I'm not going to rate it. I left the dance party. Oh no. All right, let me go back over to Facebook And so now, I mean, just wanted to do a really quick test and show you guys how it works. And it looks like it's even easier for than Zoom. I would imagine this is the link to send to somebody, or you know what's even greater is you don't have to have the link. You just invite people to join the room, and there you are, right? Even if you're, so you just share it with the people that you're sharing it with. And then I guess you can just change these settings, right? So instead of sharing the dance party, it's interesting. Um, so I shared the link on my page and it's showing on my feed as public, but to join the room, that'd be interesting to see if um, people who just saw that on my timeline were able to join the room um, without being invited. So that'll be something to check out. But it's really easy to start, particularly if most of the people that you are trying to connect with are on Facebook, which is more than likely that they are. And I'm trying to read everybody's stories to see if they're PC, and they kind of are. So from Lollies is Lolly. I mean, it's awesome. All right, so there you have it. I'm going to do some more tests, of course, and try to actually have a call, but I wanted to at least let you know that it's here, it's live, and go start some conversations, my friends. All righty, bye bye.